What we eat is what we are. You can all view with my perspective what is it. I can tell you what E for excellence, A for attitude, T for talent. So we all know about Sachin Tendulkar. What we will start praising him? What we will praise him? If we praise Sachin Tendulkar, what we will praise? He is an outstanding batsman. He has a good talent. He shows his excellence in every match. What is the quality that made him outstanding? Among these two qualities shows his excellence. Let me tell you, when Tendulkar was about in the age of 14, he played 55 matches continuously without having any break, having 2 hours of practice a day and play again and 2 hours of practice. That shows his attitude towards his game and made him outstanding in his performance. So, why? Is there any guess what the topic we are going to discuss now? Can anybody guess?
Attitude.
Yeah, attitude. Why is attitude? Why not talent? Why attitude is required for having this excellence? For this excellence, to show our excellence in our day, in our work or in life, talent alone is not required. In a course of time, ability and talent is not the useless words to possess. Beyond this talent, there is an attitude which is far, far better than talent. Why attitude? I will tell you an example. We all know from a story of tortoise and hare. Let me illustrate what.
Your question is why attitude is required.
Yeah. Okay. Why attitude is required? Because talent alone breeds ego in us. Talent breeds ego. First point. Why it is? I will elaborate on this. We all know that tortoise and hare. Hare has immense talent and coupled with huge ego. This was the reason why hare has lost the race. Right? Tortoise has a positive attitude and it wins. And second, talent alone doesn't solve any problem. I will tell you another example of Jane and Goliath. Goliath and David. Goliath is a Jain person. He struck fear in everybody's heart. But David is a small guy, and one day David went to his brother's house and he asked his brother, "Why don't you stand and fight with the giant?" Then his brother was terrified to his words. He replied, "Can't you see giant is very huge to hit?" But David replied, "He is not too big to hit. He is too big to miss." This is how attitude stands. Attitude determines how we look to the problem. To a positive thinker, attitude is a stepping stone for success. For a negative thinker, it's a stumbling block. It seems like a stumbling block. Can anybody guess what are the characteristics of a person with having positive attitude?
Positive attitude person talk about the solution, not about the problems.
What?
Positive attitude person, if person is a positive attitude,
Yeah.
he talk about the solution, not the problem.
Solution. Talk about solution. Belief.
Belief on what?
Belief on himself. Yeah, it's on correct point. Is there any guess, Ramesh?
Interactions.
Interaction. Interaction and any guess, Shriya?
Respect.
Respect, yeah.
Respect individuals.
And he don't give up easily.
Huh?
The person who is positive attitude don't give up easily.
Okay, don't give up. Most of them 3 points are correct. I have read in a book, You Can Win. Yeah, Shiv Khera. He has explained some 5 characteristics of a positive attitude person. He will be confident. He will be humble. He will be caring. And he has more expectations on himself as well as others. Fifth one, he looks for positive outcome. Maintaining these 5 characteristics, we can have a good positive attitude. With these positive attitudes, maintaining these 5 positive attitudes, and if we follow these 7 steps to develop a positive attitude, we can show our excellence in our work as well as in our life. Can anybody guess what are the steps we can
To develop positivity.
develop positive attitude? How a positive attitude person thinks and he reacts. Okay.
At least you can guess, no?
Either in his work or in his life. These are the examples. By this you can he respects others. Okay, I will tell you. Change focus. Think positive. What we have to change our focus. I will a small example. While digging for ounce of gold, when we have started digging for ounce of gold, we have to move tons of dirt. While digging, we are not going to see the dirt. We will go looking for the gold. So that we have to change our focus. What we want. Second is, make a habit of doing it now. Either it is a work related to work or not, we should not postpone our daily activities, our work tomorrow, and develop an attitude of gratitude. What is gratitude? Gratitude is kindness to others. Show some kindness and thankful to others. And get into some good educational programs. In our life, we should not leave our education. Either it is we have to be improved day by day. So don't leave our studies like Shihab is continuing his studies.
Learning.
Yeah, you also doing MA, right? So it is depends on our career, or don't leave our education. And stay away from negative influences. Negative influences who discourage us in our work or in life. Try to stay away from the negative influences, and start your day with something positive. You start with day with something positive, and you will feel throughout the day as and one more point.
Okay, one more point is don't forget things. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
These are the by maintaining these 5 characteristics and following these 7 steps, we can able to show our excellence in our work, and as well. Hope you all have energized by my energizer.
Very much.
Improve on our attitude.
Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Okay, take your seat. Okay, so with this we will